I'm Dave with Ameristar. I'm one of the factory reps. We come out to your home, take measurements, make sure to give you a perfect project. You know, here at Ameristar, we make a high-performance window at a really great price. We're going to give you the absolute best project for the money that you have to spend. We manufacture and install only our windows. We manufacture 100% of everything that we install. Our installers install to our factory specifications. There's no subcontractors, there's no middlemen, you're getting factory direct. Very unique to our industry that you have such a small manufacturing that actually does the installation. At Ameristar, our standard installation is within 3 weeks, when the industry average is well over 8 to 10 weeks. We're very nimble. We respond quickly to customer concerns. We take final measurements, make windows, and get them installed within a 3-week time period. We're very customer focused, very customer driven. Our end result is happy customers. We do everything in-house. We manufacture, we cut the extruded metal and vinyl. We handcraft each window for each specific customer opening. Our current promotion is place an order for windows and get it installed within 3 weeks. The reason we can say that is because everything is made here in-house. I would say at Ameristar, our defining quality is that we do everything with the highest standard involved. We take meticulous care for each project, each window that's handcrafted. Everything we do has that idea that it has to be built to stand up to the test of time. We have a lifetime guarantee. So at every step of the process, we only use the highest quality material, the highest quality of assembly, the highest quality of craftsmanship installing the product. So not only is the product guaranteed for life, but we also guarantee the installation for life. I enjoy meeting people, and it's the creativity aspect, helping people get the best window project for their house, whether they leave their windows as is, or if they want to change a configuration by adding a picture window or a sliding window where there is a picture window currently. There's a lot of shady contractors out in the window world, people that aren't reputable, you would not trust with your family's livelihood on. A lot of window installers are about speed, not quality. You're getting a great project at a fabulous end cost and installed quicker than I've ever seen.